Compilation engagement is an engagement in which the practitioner he applies accounting and financial reporting expertise to assist the management. The main intention here is what come on to assist the management in the preparation and presentation of the financial information for the entity as per the applicable financial reporting framework, and subsequently he has to issue a report. So here if you see, the practitioner is using the accounting and financial reporting expertise, and basically the intention is that to assist the management in the preparation and presentation of the financial information. So first of all, why such financial information is prepared, why it has been prepared, and what are the elements of the such report, what are the elements of the report that we have to understand. This, if you see, this particular preparation of assisting the management in preparation and presentation of financial statement, it means this is the compilation engagement. SRS 4410 compilation engagement, the financial information is prepared actually here. It is prepared based on some information from the management, like say based on from a trial balance. So compilation engagement is basically what happens. The financial information that is a subject of compilation engagement may be required for various purposes. Why you prepare the financial information? Mainly to comply with the mandatory periodic financial reporting requirement established by law or regulation. So there is a mandatory periodic financial reporting requirement of laws and regulation. Say on a quarterly basis you have to publish the financial information, on a yearly basis as per the company law, as per the SEBI requirement. And for the purposes unrelated to mandatory financial reporting under the relevant laws or regulation, that's the thing here. So sometimes like say it may be as per the requirement of laws and regulation, but it may not be unrelated to what you can say the mandatory requirement, be related to complying other requirements. Say for example, for management or those charged with governance, they are prepared on a basis for a particular purpose. Say for example, say for internal use, for decision making, they may prepare the financial information. And periodic financial reporting is required for the external parties under a contract or such other form of agreement. Like say there may be an agreement with external party. Say for example, there may be a funding body which may support us, which may give a grant, continuing the support. For them you may require the financial information. And it may be required for a transactional purposes. Say for example, to support a transaction involving changes to the entity's ownership, financing structure. So there may be a case of mergers, acquisition. So where there is a change in the ownership, in such case also you may require financial information. So it may be required for external parties, like say funding bodies. It may be required for internal purpose, for management, those charged with governance, for decision making. It may be for a transactional purpose, say for mergers and acquisition. So all these things may be required, or it may be a mandatory requirement of laws and regulation. Okay, so in such case you need to prepare a financial information. Now the practitioner will issue a report on the compilation engagement. That report will be in writing, and there are following elements in that report. First of all, one is the reporting title. Then second one is the addressee as required by the terms of engagement. So first is the reporting title, addressee as required by the terms of engagement, the statement that the practitioner has compiled the financial information based on the information provided by the management. That's the thing. It's a statement that the practitioner has compiled the financial information based on the information provided by the management. Then description of responsibility of the management or those charged with governance as is appropriate in relation to the compilation engagement and in relation to the financial information. What is the responsibility of the management? What are those charged with governance? Their job is to provide all the details to the practitioner for the compilation engagement. The practitioner's job is to use his accounting and financial reporting expertise actually here to assist the management in the preparation and presentation of financial statements. So first is title, second one is addressee, third one a statement that the practitioner has compiled the financial information based on the information given by the management. Then we talk about the responsibility of management and those charged with governance for the compilation engagement for financial information. And then identification of applicable financial reporting framework. So whether you require a general purpose financial reporting framework or special purpose financial reporting framework. Financial reporting framework means accounting standard. So if it is a special purpose financial reporting framework, then you need to give a description of that particular framework. Then identification of financial information included in the including the title of each financial information, where you have more than one element required. Say for example, say balance sheet, P&L, cash flow statement, and also what is the date of the financial information, what is the period to which it is related, you have to highlight that. Further, a description of practitioner responsibility in compiling the financial information. So what is the description of practitioner responsibility? Including the engagement was performed as per the standards on related services. So the practitioner has complied with the relevant ethical requirement. And also description of what a compilation engagement entails in accordance with the standards on related services. Further, what you can say, explanation that since a compilation engagement is not a assurance engagement, so it is not an assurance engagement, so practitioner is not required to verify the accuracy of the information or completeness of the information. See, my job is to compile the financial information as per applicable financial reporting framework. So you have to give a clear-cut disclaimer that it is not an assurance engagement. So I'm not required to verify the accuracy or completeness of the information. And accordingly, because it's not an assurance engagement, so the practitioner does not express any audit opinion or review conclusion. He's not giving any audit opinion or review conclusion on the financial information which is prepared as per the applicable financial reporting framework. And if the financial information is prepared as per the special purpose financial reporting framework, then in such case you have to describe the purpose for which the financial information is prepared. Why such financial information has been prepared? You have to describe the purpose. Who are the intended users? You have to give a specific reference to the note in the financial information. You have to draw attention of the reader of the report that the financial information is prepared in accordance with the special purpose framework and it may not be suitable for any other purpose. So there will be if it is a special purpose framework, means like say as per IFRS or as per UK IFRS, as per US GAAP. So this is special purpose framework. Examples for special purpose framework, which may be requirement of a particular intended user. Say intended user may be a funding party from USA. He says you prepare financial information as per the US GAAP. Okay, that's how it is. Then the date of the practitioner report. What is the date of the practitioner report? Practitioner signature. And finally, the place of the signature you have to highlight. Okay. So these are the requirements actually as far as the compilation engagement is concerned.